For a decade or better, I've been watching YouTube videos to see about backpacking gear, and there's always some guru out there who's telling you what to buy. But almost none of them have tested more than just a tiny fraction of the gear that's actually out on the market, because it's completely difficult. I mean, I can't even do that, right? I mean, I would either have to go and buy everything out there to be able to test for you guys, or have all of the different companies sending it all to him. So it's difficult for anybody to be able to do that. So today, instead of pretending that I know everything, I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm asking you, the entire backpacking community of the world, to help me build the perfect beginner backpacking gear list. If you think about it, each one of us has our own experiences of buying gear and utilizing it out on the trail. If we can take all of that information amongst all of us and put that into a poll, what are we gonna come out with? Hey guys, I'm Ricky, and welcome back to your Trail Buddy, the channel for real people who just love getting outdoors. I've been backpacking for over 30 years, and I've bought a lot of gear, but I've only tested a tiny fraction of what's actually out there. So instead of making another beginner backpacking gear list video with just my experience to tell you guys what to buy, we're creating the world's first community-built backpacking kit. Here's how it works. I built a simple, free survey asking you to list your #1 recommended beginner item in each category: backpack, tent, sleeping bag, pad, stove, water filter, layers, footwear, everything a new hiker actually needs. You can pick budget options, Amazon options, REI options, whatever you've tested and is proven for you. When we get thousands of you to fill this out, we'll build the most accurate gear guide on the internet. For any of you that know anything about YouTube, you know that my channel's not monetized yet. And so this is not about trying to get more views in order to make money for myself. This is really just me wanting to use the resources of everything that we have with everybody out there to be able to build something greater than I could give you on my own. So if you want to be a part of this project, all I ask is two things. First, click the survey link below and provide all of your choices. And number two, just comment, like, and share this video so that it will go out to more and more people, so that more and more people fill out the survey. Your likes and your comments will actually tell YouTube that this is worth pushing out to more people, which will hopefully get more people filling out the form. And that gets us more opinions from more hikers, which makes the results better for everyone. To keep things fair, please recommend gear that is affordable, easy to find, beginner-friendly, durable, and simple to use. This is not a list for ultralight niche. No $600 ultralight gear unless you also include an affordable option. So what I'm gonna do with all this information, I'm gonna take and I'm gonna give you 3 videos throughout the year. I'm gonna do one first within the first 30 days to see all of the information that we've got soon so that you can get first quick access to everything that we have. So I'll take every bit of the information that we all submit in that first 30 days and I'll provide you a video to show you the most popular gear that everybody has said. Then I'll do the same thing again in 6 months, and then again at a final time at a year, where at that time we will finalize and hopefully build the ultimate beginner backpacking gear list. So hopefully no matter when you come across this video, there should be time for you to be able to provide your support and your help. There are tons of people who are looking to get into backpacking every year, and they're always looking for advice on what gear they should be getting. And this is your opportunity to be a part of that. So whether you're new to backpacking and maybe you're just learning a little bit yourself, but you do have some experience in some of the things that you've been researching, or maybe you've bought a few gears, or you're like me and you've got decades of experience working with a lot of different gear that you can be able to share to help others. So fill out the survey, drop a comment, and let's build something together that helps the next generation of backpackers be able to get out and love the trail like we do. Thanks for your help on this, and hopefully I see you guys out on the trail.